How to play music on your Twitch stream without it muting your Vods. To my knowledge, this process works best with OBS Studio, so make sure that you have it installed. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Voicemeeter Banana so that you can play music on your stream through any music source without the music being in your Vods. This helps if you're a content creator and you want to keep your music out of your streams, so when you go into the editing process, you can put in your own music. Or if you're just trying to keep your Vods from getting muted, this works for that too. Now it's really easy to set this up, so let's get straight into the point of the video. What's going on, you guys? CCS back with another CalmCool tutorial. So you want to play music on stream, but you want to keep the music out of your Vods? This is how to do it. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and search Voicemeeter Banana. Click on the first link on the top, and it's going to take you to the Voicemeeter page. Down below, click on the Voicemeeter install, download Voicemeeter Banana, and set it up. Once you have Voicemeeter installed and set up, open up the app and this is what you're going to see. The first thing you have to do is set up your system audio. So at the top right corner where it says A1, select that, and then select your system audio. For me, my system audio is playing through my headphones, and my headphones are connected to an audio interface, and the audio interface is connected to my PC. So from the drop-down menu, select the device that your audio is playing from. If my headphones were connected to my mic, I would select Shure NV7, but my headphones are connected to my audio interface, and my audio interface is the Universal Audio Volt. So it's just going to be a little different depending on what you use. So whatever your headphones are connected to, be sure to select that, because most likely that's what your system audio is being played from. Also, when you're setting this up, be sure to select ASIO or MME. I tried to select WDM or KS and it didn't work. So once you're done with this step, go to your desktop, right click on display settings down below, then on the left hand side, click on sound. Now the first thing you have to do is choose your output device. On the drop down menu, select Voicemeeter Input VB Audio Voicemeeter VAIO. Now you can select your input. From the drop down menu, select what your mic is connected to. My mic's connected to the Volt audio interface, so I'm going to select Input Volt 1. Now after you select your output and your input, this next step is very important. Scroll down to where it says Advanced Sound Options. Here you're going to see all the apps that are playing audio on your system. If you don't see the app that you want to play music from, you have to open it up and start playing some music. For me, I want to play some music from Microsoft Edge, so I'm going to open that up and I'm going to start playing some music. Once I press play, you can see that Microsoft Edge is now in the volume list. Now once you find the app that you want to play your music from, you're going to see these two boxes on the right hand side. They're both going to say default. Click the one on the top, and from the drop down menu, select Voicemeeter Aux Input VB Audio Voicemeeter Aux VAIO. Now you're probably wondering why you couldn't hear the music being played from Microsoft Edge. It's because it's being played on a separate soundtrack, and now we have to go into OBS Studio so that you can set that up and hear the music being played while streaming. So in this next step, you're going to want to go to OBS. Once you have OBS open, find your audio mixer and go to where your desktop audio is. Click on the three dots on the right hand side and click on Properties. From the drop down menu, you want to select Voicemeeter Input VB Audio Voicemeeter VAIO. Hit OK. So once you're done with that, you're going to want to make a new audio output capture to play your music from. That way you can hear it in your headphones and your viewers can hear it on stream. To make a new audio output capture, all you have to do is find your sources, click on the plus sign below, and add an audio output capture. Let's label this stream music. Hit OK. And now from here, click on the drop down menu and select Voicemeeter Aux Input VB Audio Voicemeter Aux VAIO. Click OK. Now when I go back to my music and press play, you should be able to hear it. You can now see that the audio is being picked up in stream music and it's not being played in desktop audio. And this is exactly what you want. That means your stream music is being played on a separate audio track than your desktop audio is. Now I opened up Google Chrome and I'm going to play one of my YouTube videos to show you guys that the audio is going to play into desktop audio. So when I press play, free bits using Twitch RPG. In this video, I'm going to show you how to... You can see that the audio played in desktop audio. Now when you launch a video game or you're watching YouTube videos on Google Chrome, all your audio should come through desktop audio. If this is what you see, then you did everything correctly. Now I'm going to demonstrate this for you guys real quick. So when you play music from Microsoft Edge, you're going to see it down in stream music. And when you play music from Google Chrome, you should see it being played in desktop audio. Now let's pause all this And I'm going to show you the final and most important step to setting this all up. So for our final step of the video, if you want to set up your stream so that you can play music and not have it in your VODs, this is what you have to do. Go up to File, go down to Settings, then click on Output. From here, you're going to see Streaming Settings. In Audio Track, make sure that you have 1 selected, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 all unselected. Then go down to Twitch VOD Track, make sure you have that checked, and leave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 all unchecked, and make sure you have 6 checked. Now go ahead and click OK. Now what you want to do next is go to your audio mixer, find Stream Music, click on the 3 dots, and go to Advanced Audio Properties. Find your stream music, and over here, make sure you have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 all unchecked. So basically you just want 6 to be unchecked so that there's no music in your VODs. 6 is going to be your VODs, and 1 is going to be your stream. So if you want something to be played in your stream, make sure you have 1 checked. If you don't want something to be played in your stream, then uncheck 1. If you want something to be played in your VODs, check 6. If you don't want something to be played in your VODs, then uncheck 6. It's pretty much that simple. Now what you want to do next is go to your audio mixer, find Stream Music, click on the 3 dots, and go to Advanced Audio Properties. Find your stream music, and over here, make sure you have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 all unchecked. So basically you just want 6 to be unchecked so that there's no music in your VODs. 6 is going to be your VODs, and 1 is going to be your stream. So if you want something to be played in your stream, make sure you have 1 checked. If you don't want something to be played in your stream, then uncheck 1. If you want something to be played in your VODs, check 6. If you don't want something to be played in your VODs, then uncheck 6. It's pretty much that simple. And there you have it. That's how to play music on your stream, but not in your VODs. If you have any questions about the video, feel free to leave a comment down below. Let's have a conversation down there. If this video helped you out in any way, hit up the like button, hit up the sub button, and leave a comment down below to support the channel. Thank you guys for watching the video. Until next time, keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage, and I'll see you in the next one.